Spreadshirt is a popular online marketplace that allows designers and entrepreneurs to create and sell their own custom apparel products, such as t-shirts, hoodies, and more. The platform provides a user-friendly interface for creating designs, setting up online stores, and managing orders. How to create your online store on Spreadshirt. 1. Sign up. Register for a free account on Spreadshirt.com. 2. Create a design. Use the platform's design tools to create your own custom designs for various products. 3. Set up your store. Choose a store name, add a profile picture, and customize your store's appearance. 4. Add products. Upload your designs and set prices for each product. 5. Configure payment and shipping. Set up payment options and shipping rates for your store. 6. Launch your store. Make your store live and start promoting it to attract customers. Things you should know before starting to make money online with Spreadshirt in 2024. 1. Competition. Spreadshirt is a popular platform, so be prepared to compete with other designers and sellers. 2. Quality of products. Ensure that your designs are high quality and visually appealing to attract customers. 3. Marketing. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your store and attract customers. 4. Customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and resolve any issues quickly to maintain a positive reputation. 5. Fees. Be aware of the fees charged by Spreadshirt, including product costs, payment processing fees, and shipping fees. 6. Inventory management. Keep track of your inventory levels to avoid overselling or underselling products. 7. Product trends. Keep up to date with current product trends and design styles to stay competitive. 8. Spreadshirt's policies. Familiarize yourself with Spreadshirt's terms and conditions, including policies on copyright infringement, refunds, and returns. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can successfully create an online store on Spreadshirt and start making money online in 2024.